so loud, weaving through crowds. B is for bullet train, bullet train, speeding so fast, zooming right past. C is for cable car, cable car, climbing so steep, swinging with ease. D is for dirt bike, dirt bike, jumping up high, racing the sky. E is for electric car, electric car, silent and clean, driving so green. F is for ferry, ferry, gliding with grace, water's embrace. G is for glider, glider, soaring so free, dancing with breeze. H is for hovercraft, hovercraft, floating on air, zooming with flair. I is for icebreaker, icebreaker, cracking the ice, leading the way. J is for jumbo jet, jumbo jet, taking off strong, soaring so long. K is for kite buggy, kite buggy, wheels on the sand, wind in command. L is for lift truck, lift truck, hoisting up high, stacking the sky. M is for monorail, monorail, gliding so sleek, riding unique. N is for narrow boat, narrow boat, drifting through streams, peaceful in dreams. O is for off-roader, off-roader, bouncing through dirt, kicking up spurts. P is for paddle boat, paddle boat, wheels in the waves, making fun days. Q is for quick ship, quick ship, slicing the sea, fast as can be. R is for race car, race car, roaring so loud, thrilling the crowd. S is for scooter, scooter, zipping so light, left then right. T is for tugboat, tugboat, pulling so strong, guiding along. U is for ultralight, ultralight, floating like birds, free without words. V is for velomobile, velomobile, pedaling fast, sleek as a blast. W is for wagon, wagon, carrying loads down country roads. X is for X-plane, X-plane, testing new flight, reaching new height. Y is for yellow submarine, yellow submarine, leaping down deep, secrets to keep. Z is for zip line, zip line, rushing so